Megacap, strength stocks led large Wall Street rebound. Wall Street's essential indexes jumped on Tuesday as investors scooped up stocks of megacap increase and energy organizations hammered remaining weak on concerns over a global monetary downturn. All 11 foremost S&P 500 sectors received, as shares rebounded extensively after the benchmark index ultimate week logged its largest weekly percentage decline seeing that March 2020. Investors are seeking to determine how a ways stocks can fall as they weigh risks to the financial system, with the Federal Reserve taking competitive measures to try to tamp down surging inflation. The S&P 500 is down over 20% this 12 months after confirming it was in a bear market in advance this month. Do I suppose we've got hit backside? No. I suppose we're going to see more volatility. I suppose the bottoming system will likely take the time, stated Christina Hooper, leader worldwide market strategist at Invesco. But I do assume it is a great signal to see investor interest. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 585.65 points, or 1.96%, to 30,474.43. The S&P 500 won 89.9 points, or 2.45%, at 3,764.74, and the Nasdaq Composite delivered 301.06 factors, or 2.79%, at 11,099.41. The electricity sector, the top gaining S&P 500 area this year, surged over 5% after tumbling ultimate week. Megacap stocks: Apple Inc. Nasdaq, AAPL, Tesla Nasdaq, TSLA Inc. and Microsoft Corp. Nasdaq, MSFT all rose solidly to give the biggest character boosts to the S&P 500. The Fed remaining weak approved its biggest interest charge growth in greater than a quarter of a century to stem a surge in inflation. Investors are pivoting to Fed Chair Jerome Powell's testimony to the U.S. Senate Banking Committee on Wednesday for clues on future interest rate hikes and his modern views at the economy. Goldman Sachs NYSE GS now expects a 30% risk of the U.S. financial system tipping into recession over the following 12 months, up from its preceding forecast of 15%. Graphic: VIX long-term 20 image percent 201,655,826,597,289.png in enterprise information. Kellogg NYSE Co shares rose 3% after the breakfast cereal maker stated it becomes splitting into three corporations. Spirit Airlines NYSE SAVE stocks jumped 9% after JetBlue Airways Nasdaq JBLU stated on Monday it sweetened its bid to convince the ultra-low price provider to accept its offer over rival Frontier Airlines thought. Advancing troubles outnumbered decliners ones on the NYSE via a 3.95 to 1 ratio. On Nasdaq, a 3.00 to 1 ratio favored advancers. The S&P 500 posted 1 new 52-week highs and 32 new lows. The Nasdaq Composite recorded 36 new highs and 90 new lows.